Are you feeling stuck in life? Struggling to achieve your goals? Wondering how to transform yourself into someone who can reach their dreams? This video is for you. By the end of this video, you will feel motivated and discover the power to bring positive change into your life. Changing yourself is very important in today's fast-changing world. If you don't grow, you fall behind. Think about Steve Jobs. He was once removed from his own company, but he didn't give up. He changed his perspective, worked on himself, and created something that changed the world. To change yourself, start by identifying your weaknesses. Take a paper and pen and write down 3 main problems in your life. For example, you might struggle with laziness or lack of focus. Now think about how to fix them. Big changes come from small actions. If you improve by just 1% every day, you will be 37 times better in a year. Start waking up early, like 5 to 6 a.m. Spend 30 minutes reading daily. Reduce unnecessary phone usage. Next, control your mind. This is hard but powerful. Start meditating for 10 minutes every morning. Write down your goals and read them every day. The people around you affect who you become. Surround yourself with positive people who inspire you. Stay away from those who always complain or bring negativity into your life. Always keep learning. Successful people, like Bill Gates, read a lot. You don't need to read 50 books a year, but start with just 20 minutes daily. Choose books that you enjoy and can learn from. Take care of your body because a healthy body keeps your mind strong. Exercise for 30 minutes daily, eat healthy food and drink enough water. Track your progress. For example, if you want to lose weight, check your weight every week. Or if you want to read more, note how many books you finish each month. Finally, be thankful for what you already have. Gratitude helps you stay calm and positive. Changing yourself is not easy, but it is possible. Take small steps every day. These little actions will create big changes in your life. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. More life-changing tips and videos are coming your way.